Hey guys, welcome to Define Agile. This is Anatoly. Here we're talking everything Agile and Agile tools. Today we are talking about app for Jira Service Management. Before it was called Jira Service Desk. This app does magic. It allows people to submit tickets in different languages and then it translates those. It also can translate chat as well. So if you know, Jira Service Management allows you to have chat, allows you to have a form where people submit requests and then your team can work on it. If you're a mid-sized organization and you don't have budget to hire hundreds of different translators, people, customer support people with different languages, this app will be very useful for you. Before we go to it, I want to say this video is sponsored by Resolution, who created this amazing app. It's called GSM Translation. Let me show you how it works. Here we are in my Jira Service Management project, and then to get an app, you go to Apps, you go to Explore More Apps. Here we need to type GSM Translations. Here we go. It's a staff pick. It's cloud fortified. It has good reviews. It's actually very easy to use. So let's click on it. There's a good video how it works. It supports lots of different languages. And yeah, you can read all about it. But let me show you the pricing page as always so you guys know how much it costs. Here we go. This is a pricing page. Up to 10 users, it is completely free. So if you are a small organization and you want to support tickets and provide customer support in different languages, well, up to 10 users is free. If you're a big organization, you have 100 people in the customer support team, then it's just $1.25 per user. And as we know, for any business, the biggest expense is actually hiring people and paying salaries. So if you could optimize it with this app, I think $125 is not too much. So let's go and see how it works. First of all, let's look at settings. So if I go app, I go manage my apps. While it loads, I want to say that they have free trials. So I'm on free trial right now. So you can try it out. Language translations, Jira Service Desk. Click on that. And then we can click on Get Started. So first of all, it asks you to select a project. I select my Define Agile Jira Service Desk. Then you can click Next. It tells you that they have a new custom field, which is really cool. I will show you how to use that as well with some really neat trick. And then you can click Next. Here you can send an email if you want to your users, how to use it. Click Next. Here you can do reassigning based on customer language. So you can assign, you can create automation that assigns the language to certain users. Let's say I speak German and somebody submits a request in German. The app recognizes is German. You can create automation that will allow you to just assign it to me. I will show you how it works a little later. You can create a queue for specific languages. So your German tickets go into German queue. You can send email notifications. You can do escalations, all kinds of things. So it allows you to do many amazing things with it. And this last one is sentiment analysis. So it allows you to look for sentiment. Is it a negative comment, is it a positive comment, and give some value. I think it's give you from 0 to 1 how negative it is or how positive it is, which allows you also to see and prioritize things. Very important. So let's go back and let's go to settings actually. If I click on open settings page, here's the setting page. And I think one of the most important things is this mode is bilingual mode or invisible mode. In bilingual mode, it will translate everything for you and your customers. In invisible mode, it's like magic. They type something, let's say in German, and then it showed you the comment, internal note that it translated, and then you're able to reply, and it will translate your reply into German as well. I'm going to show you how both of them works. We'll start with bilingual, and then we'll go to invisible mode. Then you can select the language of your project, and if you want to track ongoing incoming messages, then you can skip translations for certain languages as well. So just click save here. So let's go and check it out. Here I am in my project. I do have a form for this project. So if I go to channels and I go to help center, I open it. So this is a client facing. So let's say I have a help center, but I also allow people to submit requests, incidents, ask questions, and they all will appear in my Jira Service Management. So let's say somebody's asking a question, and then let's say they're German. They're putting the question, they're putting some text, and they're sending it. Here's already, you can see it created a ticket, and description is already translated. My website does not load, so it notes what that means. Meine Website lag nicht. So it says, okay, this person is saying my website does not load. Bilingual mode will show you both the automatic translation and the original message. So before we do another test, I want to show you how invisible mode works as well. Just let me change that setting. So back to my project, I click project settings, scroll all the way down, I click language translation. Let's try the invisible mode now. So I click on invisible mode, and then let's go and submit another ticket in our form. Here we are. So let's put something in Punjabi. Let's click send. And see, there's no automatic translation anymore, so I have no idea, and the client just thinks, okay, this is what they submitted, and then your team looks at it. Let's see how it looks at the back end. So here we are. This is our request number 1, request number 2. Let's go to the invisible mode request. So here we are, another magic. We have an internal note here with a translation. The client does not see it, but our team does, so they see that the customer is complaining that the website is not loading. And then we can do this very cool magic trick. If I say translate, then I can say thank you for your request. We are working on it. And then I click save. Here we go. And then if I look at the all activity, I see that it automatically translated to the language of the customer, and the customer will receive translation. So you can go back and forth without knowing the language, which to me is a complete magic. I love it. The last thing I'm going to show you is a little bit more advanced, but I think it's useful. Let's say you have some customer reps who speak certain languages. Let's say I speak German, and I want any request that is in German to be assigned to me automatically, because I'm the only one in the team who can speak German. So let's go and check out how we can do it. For this we need to go to project settings. We need to go to automation. Here we are. I've already pre-created the rule, but I would like to do a walkthrough so you guys can do it yourself. This is a name, so I call it German issues assigned to Anatoly. And then here's what we have. We have when value changes for customer language, because this plugin gives you the custom field that is called customer language, and they automatically populate it with the value when they detect the language. And we say when this customer language equals to German, which in this case is DE, then assignee is me. So if we click one by one, it says customer language, value added, edit issue, German, customer language equals DE, assign. Pretty easy, allows you to assign languages to different people. If we go back to the project, it's already assigned to me even though I did nothing. The first ticket I created, if you remember, was in German, so it should be auto-assigned to myself. Let's go and check it out. See, we have my website does not load, meine Website lädt nicht, and we have assigned to me. See here, I'm an assignee, so the app knows because customer language was set to DE, it automatically knows to assign it to myself, which is very powerful if you have different customer support representatives that speak different languages and you want to auto-assign so they get notified that they need to work on this issue. Here you go. It's very easy to do. It's a big app. There's lots of features. You can do live chat and it will translate as well. But I'm showing you the core things right now that most of you will use. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm putting the link for the app on the top and in the description for this video, so please check it out. I want to thank again Resolution for allowing me to review this amazing app and for sponsoring this video. It's been a blast. I think this one of the most useful Jira service apps there is. It's easy to set up and it gives you huge value, saves you a ton of money. So check it out. You'll like it. Thank you for watching. Talk to you next one. Bye bye.